So what we have here is a nail in my tire, and you know it's on a four-wheeler, so you probably don't want to have to plug it because it's on your four-wheeler tires. So let me show y'all the steps what you do when you have a nail in your tire. So let me show you. First, take soapy water, any kind of soap and water, spray bottle. Spray it on there until if you see no bubbles, it's not a hole, which means it won't leak air. But if you see bubbles bubbling up, then you got air leaking. So no bubbles. Come in here and come over here to the Honda toolkit. Pop the lid off. Give me a second. So, pop the lid off. Find us some pliers. Pliers right there. Okay. Take your pliers, put it on the nail, gently turn it and pull it. And it came out. Okay. Put that to the side. So, spray it with water. And if it don't leak, then you're good to go. If it leaks, you're not good to go, but no leakage. I don't see no leaks, so we're good. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that, and it's different on cars between four-wheelers, so yeah.